L-arginine in your diet, what has it done for you?
In the game of boxing, you box 3 minutes, then you got to sit down on the corner.
Right.
For one, and you got to recover. So I got to recover 12 times.
L-arginine based products help you to go in, first of all, to go in the ring for 3 minutes, to expend all of the energy you need to do what you need to do for those 3 minutes, and then when you sit down, it helps you to recover faster.
Well, recover faster, yes. The most important thing is recovering, you know.
One of the things about L-arginine, which is the primary ingredient in Pulse-8, is the fact that it is the most studied amino acid in the world. Well, L-arginine is important because it's one of the natural building blocks that makes up proteins. We need to get L-arginine in each and every one of the cells where this metabolism process takes place. And those cells are the endothelial cells that line our arteries. We need to have L-arginine available so that when stimulated, our body can send out that critical messenger molecule to tell the smooth muscle cells to relax so we can meet the needs of the cells of our body downstream.